International Prayer Network Africa Chapter, in conjunction with Hope Excellence Association, brings you 2 days Leaders Training Conference, hosted by Bishop Emmanuel Sikuku, founder and national chairperson, Hope Excellence Association Kenya, and co-host Reverend Eunice. The training will be held on 18th and 19th of April 2025 at Soweto Social Hall in Embakasi East, Nairobi County. Thereafter, on 20th April, we will have a women conference held at the same venue. Our guest speakers will be Professor Maduba Mosi and Reverend Dr. Chinyere Gloria from Nigeria, Bishop Moses Odongo and Reverend Betty from Uganda. Also in attendance will be Reverend Stephen Gombe from Uganda, Archbishop Justus Ngota from Kenya, Bishop Bosco Muchanga from Kenya, Bishop Patrick Kimanzi from Kenya. For more information, you can call us on 0724 179 325. You can also support this wonderful conference through our paybill 247 247, account number 170999. God bless you as you propose to attend. Lunch will be served. Come one, come all.